Blink Outdoor Camera Installation Service, Tampa. Affordable, hassle-free security. When it comes to affordable, reliable security cameras, the Blink Outdoor Camera is a popular choice for homeowners looking to protect their property without breaking the bank. With features like 1080p HD video, a 2-year battery life, and weather-resistant design, it offers a solid solution for outdoor monitoring. However, while the Blink Outdoor Camera is designed for DIY installation, ensuring that your system is set up correctly and optimally requires professional expertise. At Secure View Security Cameras, Tampa, we offer professional Blink Outdoor Camera installation services to help you get the most out of your camera system. From proper placement to configuring settings and integrating with your home network, our experienced team is here to handle everything, ensuring that your Blink Outdoor Camera provides the security and peace of mind you need. Why choose professional Blink Outdoor Camera installation in Tampa? The Blink Outdoor Camera may be marketed as an easy-to-install wireless camera, but getting the most out of its features requires a bit more expertise. By choosing professional installation from Secure View Security Cameras Tampa, you're ensuring that your security system performs at its best and covers every critical area of your property. Here's why homeowners and businesses in Tampa trust us for their Blink Outdoor Camera installations. 1. Strategic camera placement for optimal coverage. Camera placement is key to the effectiveness of your security system. A poorly positioned camera can leave blind spots, potentially leaving your home or business vulnerable. Our team will conduct a thorough assessment of your property to determine the ideal locations for your Blink Outdoor Camera. Whether it's covering your front door, driveway, or backyard, we make sure that no entry point or high-risk area is left unmonitored. 2. Maximizing battery life. The Blink Outdoor Camera boasts an impressive 2-year battery life, but achieving that longevity depends on how the camera is installed and configured. Improper installation can lead to unnecessary battery drainage, reducing the time between battery replacements. Our professional installers will ensure that your cameras are placed and configured to maximize battery efficiency, so you can enjoy worry-free security for longer periods. 3. Customized motion detection zones. The Blink Outdoor Camera comes with customizable motion detection, allowing you to set up specific zones where you want the camera to detect movement. However, setting up these zones correctly can be difficult, especially if you're unfamiliar with the system. Our technicians will customize your motion detection settings to suit your property, ensuring that you receive alerts only for relevant activity, whether it's someone approaching your front door or a vehicle entering your driveway, while minimizing false alarms from pets or passing cars. 4. Wi-Fi optimization for reliable performance. The Blink Outdoor Camera uses your home's Wi-Fi network to stream live video and send notifications to your smartphone. However, if your camera is installed too far from your router, or if there are Wi-Fi dead zones on your property, you could experience connectivity issues, resulting in delayed footage or missed alerts. Our team will ensure that your cameras are installed in areas with strong, stable Wi-Fi signals, and we can recommend solutions like Wi-Fi extenders if necessary to guarantee reliable performance. 5. Weatherproof installation for Tampa's climate. Tampa's tropical climate presents unique challenges when it comes to outdoor security cameras. Heavy rains, high humidity, and intense heat can all take a toll on outdoor electronics if they're not installed properly. While the Blink Outdoor Camera is designed to be weather-resistant, our professional installation service ensures that your cameras are mounted securely and protected from the elements. We'll take extra care to ensure your cameras are weatherproofed so they continue to function effectively no matter what Tampa's weather throws at them. Avoid common DIY pitfalls with professional installation. The Blink Outdoor Camera is a DIY-friendly option, but many users encounter common issues that affect their system's performance. By opting for professional installation, you can avoid these mistakes and ensure your security system is working at its full potential. Here are some common DIY problems that our expert installers help you avoid. 1. Weak Wi-Fi signals. Poor connectivity can result in laggy video streams, missed alerts, or delayed footage. 1. We make sure your cameras are within range of your Wi-Fi network for smooth, uninterrupted streaming. 2. Improper camera angles. DIY installers often place cameras too high or too low, missing important areas like doorways or driveways. 2. Our professional installers know how to position your cameras for optimal coverage, ensuring every critical area is monitored. 3. False alarms. Incorrectly configured motion detection settings can lead to frequent false alarms, which can be frustrating and reduce the overall effectiveness of your security system. 3. We customize your motion detection zones to ensure you're only alerted to real threats. 4. Battery drainage. Poor placement or incorrect settings can cause your Blink outdoor camera to drain its batteries faster than expected. 4. Our installation service ensures that your cameras are set up for maximum battery life, so you don't have to worry about frequent replacements. Why choose Secure View security cameras? Tampa for your Blink outdoor camera installation. At Secure View Security Cameras Tampa, we are committed to providing professional, reliable security solutions for our clients. When you choose us for your Blink outdoor camera installation, you benefit from 1. Expert technicians. Our team is highly experienced in installing and configuring Blink cameras, ensuring that your system is optimized for your specific needs. 2. Local knowledge. We understand the unique challenges that Tampa's weather and security landscape present, and we tailor our installation services to meet those challenges. 3. Comprehensive support. We don't just install your cameras and leave. We provide ongoing support and maintenance to ensure your system continues to perform effectively over time. 4. Custom solutions. Every property is different, and we work with you to design a security system that provides comprehensive protection for your home or business. Get your Blink outdoor camera professionally installed in Tampa today. Ready to enhance your home or business security with the Blink outdoor camera? Contact Secure View Security Cameras Tampa today for a free consultation and professional installation services. Call us at 813-489-9332 or visit www.secureviewcameras.com to schedule your installation. Our expert team will handle every step of the process, from camera placement and configuration to testing and troubleshooting, ensuring that your Blink outdoor camera delivers the best possible performance. Let us help you enjoy worry-free security with a professional installation you can trust.